Hello, crypto people. It's your boy Crypto Siege with another day in the life and the crazy life that is cryptocurrency. Guys, I told you in my last video that I've been kind of doing some homework and looking into some different things just for some investment ideas and as well, just to kind of check on some of the technology and just kind of where it's going from a retail standpoint, especially. And I've known for a while now about blockchains. I've known for a while that going into the blockchain space as a retail investor is obviously that's the future because it's all about advancing technology, and it's a fight right now. It's a race to see, and I don't think I turned my volume up all the way here. Hopefully, change that up so you guys can hear me. Hopefully, you could have heard me the whole time. But anyway, so again, this is Crypto Siege with another day in the life that is cryptocurrency. I've been looking at some different places to invest. I've known for a while now about obviously that the blockchain and the technology behind it was going to be huge. Uh, I did not, I just stayed with the main players, top 10 cryptos, maybe, top 15 actually cryptos. I didn't look into to anything chain, blockchain, QuarkChain, A-chain, WAN chain, Walton chain, whatever it might be. Um, I wanted them to kind of get to the, I didn't mess around with any of them in the ICO phase. I guess that's my best way to explain it. Wanted to wait till they got there just because of all the different problems that happens with the ICOs, whether it be a pre or public ICO launch. So I didn't want to get involved in those. So I waited. I've been doing my homework on a few, following a guy on YouTube, a very, very smart guy, and decided to look into a few of them. The first one I'm going to review for you guys is QuarkChain. QuarkChain. And on CoinMarketCap right now, so right, retail investors. So one of the things I'm looking at as a retail investor, what's going on with the price. So if you go to livecoinwatch.com, I prefer that because the prices are like they say it's live for the most part. And you go to livecoinwatch.com, you type in QKC for QuarkChain, you see that it's currently trading for around 2 cents, nearly 3 cents, an all-time high of 33 cents. And it's 92% off its all-time high. So, so at one time this thing was at 30 cents, 33 cents. At one time this is at 20 cents, and now it's at 2 cents, close to 3 cents. And so, what do I think? Is a chance to make some good money. It's a chance to take advantage of the price and get it while it's cheap. 92% from its all-time high, right? So that's one thing that I look at when I'm looking at this. But I also make sure I go to the right site. Yeah, so I went to the site just to kind of check them out. So let me go back. Right, the thing I like about Livecoin is a couple of things. Number one, real-time price. It shows you the differences versus fiat, Bitcoin, and Ethereum in terms of prices over the last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or the last 30 days. I like that as well. I like down here, though, if you go, I mean, obviously it lists the markets, the exchanges that it's on, which is cool. There's the LA token. My last video, I mentioned about a couple of guys that I met, and they mentioned this exchange, LA token, and I had not heard of LA token. He mentioned it because he said that's where you had to go to. It sounded a little off, young guy, young kid, but he said that's where it was on. It was on this exchange, so I guess you could purchase it on this exchange. This particular ICO that he was talking about, that his uncle or dad knew the people who started it, so they were able to get it on this pre-ICO, even though they weren't quote unquote like the accredited investors, that type of deal like that. So he mentioned LA Token Exchange. I never heard of it. So look at that. There it is there. So QuarkChain is actually on LA Token as well to trade. But I like that the LiveCoin Watch does that. So that's cool. They listed different exchanges, just like CoinMarketCap. But they got them listed there. And I guess this is probably, I don't think this is all. It's probably the top 10 in terms of volume traded. But I like that they have there. They'll have the different Twitter, different things that QuarkChain might be listing or putting on Twitter, and they list it here, and they do it for all the different coins or currencies. So that's another reason why I like uh, Live Coin Watch. So repositories one, contributors two, commits this year just nine. I don't know what that means. If someone does know what that means, please let me know. But QuarkChain is a blockchain, right? And so let's go to their site. And a couple of things that I look at in terms of looking at something that I might be willing to put my hard-earned money into is, kind of the quality of the site, how it looks. I like it's a very interactive thing. They got their white paper here that you can click on and the test net. But QuarkChain is a high-capacity peer-to-peer transactional system. Love the way the site looks. It's a good, clean look to it. Looks like you can message Telegram, Twitter, and don't know what that one is right there. A brief introduction. It's a video here if you want to check it out. It's just a minute and 20 seconds. It says changing the world with revolutionary blockchain technology. I'm not going to watch the video. Then they had a test net. I did watch some of this. It was as oh no wonder my speed is all the way up there. That's why it was going so fast. I didn't put that speed up there, but someone I don't know how they got like that. But anyway, so I got the little speed thing. So if you're watching videos or something and you don't want an hour video to take an hour, you can download this thing and it speed up the thing for you. So that's why I was going so fast. I was trying to figure out why in the world that's so fast. But anyway, so it's 12 minute and it's actually some transactions that they've done peer to peer here on that video, so you can check that out as well. I like that they got the latest testnet trial run, and these are transactions that have happened. 14,755 says the number of shards 256, number of clusters 50, TPS 10,000 plus, transactions per second at its peak was 10,000 plus. So it's pretty cool. But this is what the technology is. Two-layered blockchains. The quark chain consists of two layers of blockchains. We apply elastic sharding blockchains or shards as the first layer and a root blockchain that confirms the blocks from the shards as the second layer. Interesting. And it says over here, cross shard transactions. Cross shard transactions can be issued at any time and confirmed in minutes. The throughput of cross shard transactions increases linearly as the number of shards increases. Market-driven collaborative mining. We designed a game theoretic framework for incentives, whereas hash powers are incentivized to distribute evenly among shards. There are at least 50% of overall hash power allocated to the root chain to prevent double spending attacks. And so, guys, again, I've been looking at a few of these. I've been checking out Zilliqa. I've been checking Zilliqa. I've been checking out Quark Chain. I've been checking out A Chain and Wan Chain, a few of them, right? Walton, I haven't looked into Walton yet. I've heard about it. I haven't looked into it yet. Only on Live Coin Watch in terms of checking out the price. But this again, so some interesting technology here. I like the simple account management system. I like that they had an innovative way to their mining. I do like that horizontal scalability. That's an interesting thing because scalability obviously an issue in cryptocurrency, especially with Bitcoin. Because of its super full node can be extremely expensive when TPS transaction per section goes high, we allow multiple honest nodes forming a cluster running as a super full node. And so, they have some innovative and creative ideas. And guys, like I said in the beginning, it's a race right now to see who's the best. It's a race to become the number one, become that new innovative blockchain transaction, whether it be technology rather. And there's a few in the running. I mean, you can't forget the Trons and the icons of the world. But I wanted to start with this Quark chain. I like the website. I like the way things are laid out. I like that they have two videos. I like that the English is good. But the most important thing why I decided to go with this one first is because I like when they show their team. I like when they show the faces of their team because they said these guys are all on here on LinkedIn, and so you can hover over it, you can click on and find out about them. You find out about the founder here. He's a former Googler. So I guess he worked at Google, expert in high performance systems. And you mouse over here, software engineer and expert in high performance systems, former Googler, and 15 years plus development experience, PhD from Georgia Institute of Technology. And this guy, he is a software engineer. But again, I like that you can learn more about them. Research scientist here with this young lady here, for professor at Georgia Tech, IEEE fellow. So I like that they got the team out here. Obviously, this is some very smart people. Um, I like that. I like being able to see who's behind it. And again, you can always do your due diligence and look into them when you're looking to go as a retail investor, invest in these projects. Um, and this, again, this was an all-time high at 33 cents. So if you were able to get into at the pre-ICO or public ICO, you got some stuff for less than a penny and went to an all-time high of 33 cents. But I do like that they show their team, they show their advisors. One of the advisors is a guy who's a partner at Pantera Capital. It says advisor of several blockchain technology companies, such as Icon Foundation and Orchard Labs. So he's also advisor for Icon as well, which is another one of those blockchain companies looking to do something different in the marketplace. A very, very popular one. But I like that they list the advisors here. I like that you can learn more about them, see their background. Why were they looking to advise on this project? And then this is investors, right? And again, major, major point when you're looking to, put your hard-earned dollars in behind something that you believe might be a great use case and for the world, obviously, and also, to increase, the dollars in your pocket if you're looking to invest. So here's a couple of interesting ones. I've been hearing a lot about this hashtag hashed. I have to look into them, learn more about them. Draper Dragon. I'm guessing that's Tim Draper's deal, and I'm guessing on that. But you saw one of the guys, advisor was a partner at Pantera Capital. Um, hashtag has again is something that I keep hearing about. Genesis, Dynamic FinTech Group, Signal Ventures. These are a lot of these VC companies that are investing in this particular project. Signal Capital, One Block Capital Advisory, right? Big VC guys, right? And so there's a reason why they're looking to do that, right? They do their due diligence on some things, right? They do some homework. So I like that. So QuarkChain guys, so do me a favor in the comments, just tell me tell me what you think about QuarkChain. Do you like it? Have you done your due diligence? Have you messed around with their testnet? I have not. I will not, more than likely. I just want to know that it's a good place to invest my money for the long term. And it looks like a really nice, genius, and inventive thing that they're doing. It's a lot of different kind of sharding going on right now. Ethereum is looking to do sharding, and I think it's like a big difference between looking to do something and actually and having something in place that's doing it. I think in terms of sharding, QuarkChain might be ahead of them, and I think actually Zilliqa, I'm going to do a video on Zilliqa as well, might be even ahead of QuarkChain. But guys, there's QuarkChain, guys. Just to give you some kind of info on that, again, on Live Coin Watch, we got 2 cents and all-time high of 33 cents. 92 cents percent from its all-time high means that obviously you can get a really good bang for the buck. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not your financial advisor, so please don't take anything as I say as financial advice. Uh, but for me, I'm certainly looking into something like that. A guy I respect in the space, in this cryptocurrency space, big time. He mentioned these, and so I've been looking into them to see, if I might want to do something with them. So we'll see. So guys, I just wanted to shoot this quick video about QuarkChain. Do you do homework? Do your own due diligence for sure. Find out more about um, this project. Look into QuarkChain. Do me a favor, put in the comments. Tell me what you think about QuarkChain. Are you invested in QuarkChain? What do you like best about them? So number one, let me know if you invested, and number two, what do you like best about the team and what they're doing? I would definitely appreciate that, guys. Listen, just a quick video just for you guys. I'm going to do another one on some other chains, right? Whether it be A chain or One chain or Walton chain or Zilliqa. I'm going to do more videos on them as well. Just to kind of guys give you a heads up of what I'm doing, the homework I'm doing, the research I'm doing, and maybe perhaps it might be something that you might want to look into and do your own due diligence as well. So anyway, guys, just a quick video, real quick. Again, old money doesn't want you to win. Don't ever, ever forget that. We are in the midst of the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of mankind. Are you participating? Cryptocurrency, guys, is our chance to win. It is the average Joe and the average Jane's chance to win. Don't, are you participating? Here's what I do know. The battle for you, my friend, has already been fought, and the victory is yours. Will you go get it? I'll talk to you soon. See ya.